How to change your gender in Nintendo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily change your gender in Nintendo account. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer, mobile devices or your tablet, and in the URL box type in nintendo.com and log in. Once you're logged into the home page of Nintendo, go to the upper right corner and click on your name. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Nintendo Account Overview. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this Nintendo Account Overview page where you'll need to click Account Settings. Now, under User Information, you'll see a Gender tab. Click on Edit right next to Profile and then click on the Gender drop-down. Select your gender you want to choose or change to. After making a selection, click Save Changes. And right after you do that, you'll be able to change your gender on Nintendo.com. It is that easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.